Great product. Brass sleeve should be bigger to accept larger diameter wire. Went without it. Clamp works great. Makes a better ground than spring clamps. The clamp is of good quality and workmanship. Well made. Exactly as described. Experienced welders know the importance of a solid low-resistance ground, and this clamp delivers, assuming you can attach it properly to your workpiece. Works awesome on the fab benches. Keeps the guys from moving ground clamps all the time and breaking springs. Also works well for welding in the derricks. Just what I needed. Clamp to the leg of my welding table and forget about it. Solid and versatile. I got this ground clamp for my MM250 MIG welder. Very happy so far. Works great. I can clamp it down hard over dirty or painted surfaces and I have no grounding issues. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.